Hi guys, it's Dan from KTR Racing again here, and just going to show you another amazing product that we do for the i30N platform. This is the most popular clutch option on the i30N platform. This is the Twin Friction KTR clutch. This comes with obviously the friction plate there, as you can see. So this is a really high quality piece of engineering here from us. Then you've got the actual clutch plate itself. So yeah, as you can see, this comes as a complete kit. It also comes with the slave cylinder as well for the i30Ns. This is a Valeo genuine OE part. So this comes as a complete kit. You don't need to buy anything else to fit this or have this fitted at a garage. This is really, really affordable as well as an upgrade for tuned cars. This is the Twin Friction. We also do an organic and we also do a paddle. Now, organic is the most and the closest to the OEM stock feel that you'll get, and the paddle is really extreme, very, very hard on the pedal, and is designed for higher horsepower cars. But the Twin Friction is really popular for stage 1, stage 2 cars. It will do stage 3 builds as well, and this will take up to around 620 to 660 Newton meters of torque maximum. If you do go above that, then the paddle is probably for you, or if you're doing extreme track stuff, then maybe the paddle one would be good for you. But we usually carry these in stock. We've got stock at the moment, so go and check out on our website, and you'll get this next day in the post, and you can upgrade your i30N to a Twin Friction clutch.